With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, two artificial satellites of the same mass are moving around the earth in circular orbits of different radii. In comparison to the satellite with lesser orbital radius, the other satellite with higher orbital radius we have to tell that the one satellite which have the higher orbital radius have the greater kinetic energy or less potential energy or greater total energy or less magnitude of angular momentum. So first we have to write the formula of all these, that is the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy can be written as kinetic energy for satellite, that is written by G m mass of earth, me mass of earth satellite, upon 2r, and r is the orbital radii. Okay, now the formula of potential energy, that is given by minus G me mass of earth, m mass of satellite, upon r. R is the radius of orbital radii. Now similarly the total energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, and that is coming out to be minus G m upon 2r. Okay, now the last one is angular momentum. Angular momentum is written as L equals to mvr, and the velocity is given by the formula root of G me upon r. So if I put the value of v in this formula, so finally my angular momentum can be written as the formula of angular momentum, that is equals to m, and in bracket it is G me r. This is the formula of angular momentum. So now in the first option is greater kinetic energy. As you can see that kinetic energy is inversely proportional to the radii. That means if radii is higher, that means kinetic energy is minimum. Simple, because kinetic energy is inversely proportional to the radii. When radii is higher than the other, that means kinetic energy is less than the other. So the first option is not correct because it is saying greater kinetic energy. So this is not correct. Second is less potential energy. As you can see that potential energy is also inversely proportional to the r. When the r is increased, when r is higher, that means this whole magnitude is increased. This whole magnitude will increase, but this magnitude is in negative. That means potential energy is increased, because magnitude is in negative, and negative magnitude means potential energy will increase. That means potential energy is higher. But in the option they are saying that is less potential energy, so this is also not correct. Now the last one, third one is greater total energy. Similarly, for the total energy is also inversely proportional to the r. When r is increased, then this whole magnitude is increased, but this magnitude is in negative. That means total energy is increased, so it is having higher total energy. So in the question they are saying greater total energy or higher total energy, so this is the correct option. And the last one is less magnitude of angular momentum. Angular momentum is directly proportional to the radii. As you can see that L is proportional to the root of r, that means directly proportional to the radii. So if radii is higher, that means angular momentum is also higher. But in the option they are saying that less magnitude of angular momentum, so this option is also not correct. So we have only one correct option, that is greater total energy. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.